Week 1, Introduction to AI. Hi, welcome to our first session on artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we'll learn what AI is and how it is part of our everyday life. AI is technology that can think, learn, and help us with tasks. You already use it every day. For example, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa your phone, predicting the next word when you type music or video recommendations. Smart home devices AI helps people work faster, be more creative, and solve problems. It's not magic. It's just smart technology that learns from what we do. In this session, you will also look for AI in your own life, apps, devices, and everyday tools. This will help you understand how AI can be useful. By the end of this session, you will be able to explain AI in simple words, notice it around you, and feel more confident using technology. Get ready to explore AI in the next lessons and see how it can help you every day.